Alright, so today we've got the Arc Captain Cut 50. We're going to do an unboxing and overview of what's inside. Let's start with cutting it open. This is a plasma cutter. It runs on 110 or 220. There is an adapter here for either. Go ahead and turn this on and show you what I got. So right off the bat, like the length of this cord, the handle is very ergonomic. It's got a trigger guard. It did come with a couple consumables, so that's nice. Got a good length ground here, like the dial, and I like the push button instead of touch screen. Go ahead and turn this on. There's a switch back here, and as you can see, it power up. You change the amperage here with this dial, and this is the operation mode. Now it goes from 4T to 2T. 2T is you squeeze the trigger once, it's on, release it, it's off. Change it to 4T, squeeze the trigger, it's on until you squeeze the trigger again. I like that you can change preferences as well, so you can save a few things in there. Very lightweight, very small box. Really like the portability of the size. It did come with a shoulder strap. I don't think I'm going to use this. And as you can see, I like the fact that the fan cuts off on its own. When it's not being used and it doesn't need the fan, it shuts off so that it's not loud. You're not listening to it all the time, and that's really neat. Also, it came with air hose with a dial gauge here. You plug the air hose in the back. You can adjust the air pressure up or down with this. So have not used it yet, just unboxed it. Gonna give it a shot and check it out and let you know what I think.